this is today's homework and didn't get like normal. You got the lesson. Okay, I'll go over like this one. Oh, we went over this one. I'll go over the next page on 10 and 11. You guys do the rest. Okay, number 10. We want to graph each linear equation, so you're going to graph, write an equation that write an equation that will create a perpendicular line. So we need to write an equation, explain. So 3 things on this problem. Okay, so graph first. Okay, starts out at the y-intercept, -5, right here, and up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1. Go down. Oops, not straight enough. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, now we graph that, and then it says write an equation that's perpendicular. Okay, it's perpendicular. Okay, let's look at our rate of change here. M is the rate of change is 4. Okay, perpendicular, rate of change is 4. Perpendicular slope is opposite of a +4, which is negative. So it has to be opposite, 1 negative and 1 positive. So we have a negative. Reciprocal, this is 4 over 1, so 1 over 4. Okay, I'm going to use that equation here to write my other one. Okay, y equals -1 over 4x plus, let's say, 5. This is a -5, so I'll do a +5, okay? Okay, so now let's graph that. And at a 5, I go down 1 over 4. Down 1 over 4. And up 1 over 4, up 1 over 4. And then when I graph it, it is perfectly 90 degrees, you see? Opposite, and when you flip a number, the math word is reciprocal. And you explain like that for every one of them. Okay, now number 11, just like your other one here. Number 11. Okay. You add x. So you get 7 plus y equals 10 plus x minus 7. Oops, minus 7 under the 10. And you get y equals 3 plus x. So let's graph that at 3, and you go up 1 over 1, right? That's your rate of change. Or another word is slope. Go the other way. It's also rate of change. You need to remember that. It's really important. Graph that right there. And then, okay, so your rate of change here is 1. So the perpendicular rate of change is the opposite of that. So it's a -1, and this is over 1. So flip it, still 1 over 1, right? So it's opposite and reciprocal. The slope is. Slope or rate of change. Okay, now I need you to do for these problems the same thing on your own. If you have problems, make sure you ask me. And if you don't do these ones, this one that I'm not doing for you, you're going to get a 0. Because I need to make sure you know how to do this. Not just copy. Distribute first to the middle one too. That's 30n. And then if you distribute this to the 1 right there, so it's m to the 3rd, and then 2 to the 3rd, 2 to the 3rd, which is 8, m to the 3rd, n to the 30th, and times that to 4 times m to the 7th and n to the first. So 4 times m to the 7th and n to the first. Okay, so when you're multiplying, 4 times 8 is 30. 4 times this 8 is 32 times m7 plus 3 n to the first plus 30. Show your work like that. 32 m to the 10th n to the 31st. I need this work right here, guys. That when you multiply, you know to subtract. Okay. This one, no negative numbers. So we just, these two numbers we divide by 3. We simplify to 3 over 5. Okay, p, cross out, minus 3. These are the same, 1 and 1. So everything we cross out becomes a 1. So this is a 1, this is a 1. At the bottom, this is a 1. And p to the 7th. So your answer, there's no negative exponent, 3 over 5p to the 7th. Okay, number 3, there's negative exponent. Let's change. Okay, you can't, all the positive stays the same. Stays the same. Okay, let's change. X to the 5th, this goes x to the 10th, goes on top. And then y to the 9th, y to the 7th go on bottom. And y to the 9th goes on top. Okay, now we can solve it. Okay, they're all positive. Okay, exponents anyways. This one you can divide by 2, you get 7 over 12. X, there's no x, so x to the 10th. Y, the smaller one right here, minus 2. You got y to the 2nd. So your answer is 7x to the 10th, y to the 2nd, all over 12. That's your answer. Don't solve until it's a positive exponent. Got to remember that. Okay, which of the following ordered pairs are solutions to the graph? Well, let's see which one's on the dot. 0, negative 4. Yep, A is. 2, negative 1. Nope, not a solution. So you go through that. There's more than one answer. Okay, negative 4, 0. Negative 4, 2. That's an answer. There's more than one answer here. So if I only see one answer, I'm giving you half credit. There's more than one. Same as here. Which of the following ordered pairs are solutions to the graph? This is your x. This is your y. Okay, I need to go over this in class. This tends to be if you don't understand, we'll go over it in class really fast. Select two look, it says 2. This is preparing you for the benchmark test that's coming on the 28th of March. It will go in as part of your test grade. Select 2 equations that have no solution. I need to see the work. Additive inverse. So 8h plus a negative 4h plus a 5 equals to 4h plus 1 has no solution. Okay, got 4h plus 5 equals to 4h plus 1. No solution. Same coefficient, different y-intercept. So A. Okay, you do that for all of them. Show the work. Do not, there's 2 answers here. There's 2 of them. Okay, I'll do this one here because some of you may have a hard time with this one. Remember which one has no solution. Explain why for each. Okay, there's 2 of them with no solution. I'll check this one off. No solution. Rate of change. So rate of change is the same. Find the other one, your job. Rate of change is the same, and the y-intercept are different. Okay, find the other one. There's two of them. Okay, and then choose infinite solution. Okay, infinite solution. Okay, if you guys forgotten this, let's solve the side with the most numbers plus a -1. That's 4y plus -6y plus 2. So I get -2y plus 2. So to make it infinite solution, it needs to be the same, right? This needs to be -2y also. So C is my answer. It's missing one. All right, going back to here. The table below show the proportional relationship between time and hours. Juan worked in the library. You know what? I'll do this in class if you guys can't get this. So this one I'll do in class. That's important. These two I'll do in class tomorrow. I didn't get to.